I like to leave my house on Saturday night. That's when I like to drink all night. And at last I feel so free. But you better listen unto me. Stay away from that whiskey, it's too damn risky. You're gonna drink, 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 drink some more. Stay away from that whiskey, it's too damn risky. You're gonna drink till you can't walk out that door. Well, early next morning, Jackie D has gone. With a headache and dehydration, left me alone. But I know where to find him again. Maybe that's when I finally defeat him. Stay away from that whiskey, it's too damn risky. You're gonna drink, 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 drink some more. Stay away from that whiskey, it's too damn risky. Gonna drink till you can't walk out that door. Whiskey, 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 it's too risky. Gonna drink till you can't walk out that door. Da 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 da.